In 1772, Daniel Rutherford stripped the oxygen from air. What remained snuffed out candles and killed mice, so he called it noxious air. Lavoisier named it azote, Greek for lifeless. They'd bottled the gas that is 4/5 of every breath you take. Two nitrogen atoms clamped together with a triple bond, one of the strongest in all of chemistry, some 945 kilojoules a mole. That grip is why the air, though mostly nitrogen, just sits there, inert and remarkably hard to break. That inert gas quietly dissolves in your blood. Deep underwater, the pressure forces more of it in. Surface too fast, and it comes out of solution as bubbles in your joints, your spine, your brain. Divers call it the bends, and it can cripple or kill. Chill nitrogen far enough, and it becomes a clear liquid at minus 196 degrees. Distilled cheaply from the air, it flash freezes food and halts living cells so completely that sperm, eggs, and embryos keep in it for decades. For all of history, life was rationed by how little usable nitrogen there was. Then Fritz Haber learned to tear the triple bond apart and pull fertilizer from thin air. 4 billion people, half of everyone alive, are fed on nitrogen from his process. But it doesn't stay on the field. Rain washes the surplus into rivers and out to sea, where it feeds algae, blooms that rot and strip the water of oxygen. Every summer, the Gulf of Mexico grows a dead zone where almost nothing can breathe. The same nitrogen salt that feeds the world can level a city. 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate sat forgotten in a Beirut warehouse for years. In 2020, it caught fire and blew up, killing more than 200 people and flattening half the port. Here's the strangest part. Because that fertilizer grew the plants and animals you eat. About half of the nitrogen atoms in your own body, in your muscles, in your DNA, were made in a Haber-Bosch factory. You are, in part, assembled from thin air.